I have no idea why some cans don't have pop-up lids, but thank goodness for these guys having a little can opener. Let's see how well it works. It is very like sturdy feeling. It's definitely got some weight to it. A cute little card. This feels very sturdy. I love the like kind of like grippy handles. I love, it looks like stainless steel. It looks like a very sturdy handle for like twisting. Some are just like so flimsy that they just like, you know, fall, so you can't open your can. And it actually does have a magnetic can attachment, so that's super handy once you're done. And like usually the can lid falls inside, you can easily pick it up. So let's give this a try. Easy peasy. Turning, no problem. Oh yeah, it's like cutting like butter. Okay, we're almost done. There. And as expected, the lid goes down into the water, but no worries, the little magnetic gets it right up. That is so handy. Oh, this is such a nice can opener. This was sent to me by the brand for my honest review, and I'm a huge